Hello guys, it's Tech Info and we're back with another video. The Amazon Fire TV and the Fire TV Stick are very popular streaming devices. If you already own an Amazon Fire TV Stick, you probably know that it's not a very powerful device. Today, I'll show you some tips and tricks that will help speed up the Fire Stick. And it should also fix the Wi-Fi and buffering problems. Before we start, make sure to press the like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any future videos from our channel. Let's get started. First of all, you'll need to make sure that your Fire TV Stick is getting a good Wi-Fi signal from your router. A lot of the times we tend to overestimate the signal range of our Wi-Fi routers, and that causes slowdowns. Open the settings on your Fire TV and navigate to the network settings. Here you can see how good of a Wi-Fi signal your Fire Stick's getting. If it's saying very good or excellent, it should be fine. Anything below that signal strength is not good. One of the main reasons of less Wi-Fi coverage is that your router and TV are too far, or there are more than one wall between them. You need to keep in mind that the Fire TV Stick has a very small Wi-Fi antenna, so try to keep it as close to the router as possible. Now, one way we can mitigate this is to use a wired connection. So you can buy an OTG cable and an Amazon Ethernet adapter, or an adapter like this, which gives you an Ethernet port and multiple USB ports. Now, using a wired connection means you're not going to be affected by the interference or distance. Typically, a wired connection will always give you a much better and more consistent connection than wireless. So if you're having any kind of dropouts or any kind of connectivity issues, I do recommend using a wired connection. Most of the times your Fire Stick is doing a lot of work in the background, and it's just too much to keep up for its small processor. If you press the left D-pad button on the remote and search for background process. Install this app on your Fire Stick. Open it. You'll see how many apps are running in the background. Select the Close All Apps button and click Force Stop. Press the back button once and then force stop all the apps one by one. Make sure that nothing runs in the background, which we don't need. Open the settings on your Fire TV. Go to the Preferences. Select Data Monitoring and make sure that this option is set to Off. Go back and select Notification Settings. Now go through this list of apps and turn off the notifications for all the apps you don't want to receive notifications from. The media player you're using might be causing some issues with the buffering. I recommend you to install the VLC player. It's free, has no ads, and plays almost every single video file. Search for VLC from the built-in search option and install it from there. That's it for this video on how to fix the buffering and Wi-Fi issues on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. I hope this video has helped you to get the best out of your device. If you have any other suggestions, let me know in the comment section, and I might add them into a next part of this video.